Yeah, we're setting up for our pork operation. Here are the 3 most important things that you need for a successful day in this.
So we got our pigs back from the butcher, and now we've got to go set up the workshop, get it ready to make sausage tonight.
We sent 2 pigs to the butcher. They are about 160 to 170 pounds each slaughtered, and we're going to be cutting them up. We're going to make ham, we're going to make bacon, we're going to make lard, we're going to make sausage, we're going to make pork chops, we're going to cut schnitzel, and we're going to start that tonight. I'm just setting up. We have a certain kind of workflow, and the setting up is really important. Here are the 3 most important things that you need for a successful day in this. 1, a Tormek sharpening machine, because there's no way you get your knives any sharper than with that machine. And it goes so fast, and during this whole process we're going to be working for 2 nights. You can just sharpen them on that super quickly. Second, you need to have the right workflow, so this goes smooth and easy. And thirdly, you need to have enough people for it. And that's why traditionally, hog killings or any kind of butcher, you had a lot of people there that would help each other. And fortunately, we have all 3 of those things, and this will make everything a whole lot easier. Cuts like this. Look, that thumb you would cut off right now. Go like that, and you can just go again there if you need to. We were really busy, so we were not able to film too much. But this here is all bacon, right in this bin. It is in a salt water brine. Then we have meat for sausage making. Down there we have a lot of ham. We made a lot of pork chops. And tomorrow we're gonna tackle the whole sausage making thing.
This stuff is one of the best I've tasted in my life.
can stop now.
There's 20 minutes remaining. Playing with my sprinkles.
Yeah, but what are you guys doing together here?
Making cookies.
Eddie, are you making cookies?
Danny didn't destroy.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, that is good. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll make a different color, I think. Yeah, I think most people know that. That one's mine. That cookie made me
So we don't need white outfits, huh?
John, this is the first time since you have been here that the sun has peeked out. What do you say? You recognize it? I'm not joking. They've been here for 15 days. This is the first time the sun has peeked out. We've just had gray otherwise. Look at this, guys. So as you can see, we got some snow. It's cold. It's a really cold northeastern wind right now, but it's so much nicer than this gray we've had with just a handful of sun hours during the month of November. So we're so thankful. We're just sucking up the light right now, which is not much. We have maybe 5 hours of this and then the sun is down again. So we are all done with making all the different pork products, and I just want to show you what has become of it. And we are really happy to have the cupboards and freezers full. We're not quite done with smoking the ham and sausage and bacon because that's still curing in the brine. Actually, it's in here. Let me show you. So we have bacon in here, and it is just a saltwater brine, and then we have hams in these, and it smells almost Christmassy because of all the spices that go in there. They're gonna be in here, the bacon for about a week and the ham for about 10 days, and then we are going to put them into the smoker, and they're not gonna get any heat. They're just gonna get cold smoke, and then they're gonna air dry some more after that, and we're super excited to have that again. Here we have some of the sausage that has pickling salt in them, and it's going to be hanging here for a little while. So that's a process where it turns red and starts curing a little bit. Then we are also going to cold smoke the sausage. Now what we do, this is a German sausage called Mettwurst, very typical German sausage that we use for cooking. We just boil it and eat it with mashed potatoes, or we slice it up. We actually have a video where we show how we do a potato casserole with this sausage in it. So this is a very nice product. It's so amazing that all these delicacies that we love today, they really come from the background of preserving food over a long time, whether it's dried or smoked fish, or it's these dried and cured and pickled hams or sausages, or sauerkraut, fermented vegetables. So many of these delicacies, they come from the art of preserving food, and it's just extremely fulfilling. So here you have it. These are real intestines. The skin is real intestines from pigs, and you put meat in here that you ground up that otherwise would be quite tough to eat, that you wouldn't really like as a roast or a pork chop or whatever. And that way we take care of so much of this animal, and its sacrifice provides new life. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. We are enjoying the last days here with my in-laws, and we hope to see you soon. Stay tuned and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. Bye bye, thanks for watching.